guys, today I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about pedigrees while also examining a pedigree that I made based off of the TV series Grey's Anatomy. Pedigrees are simply a way to track traits among family generations. Males are represented by squares and females are represented by circles. Now, if a circle is colored in, that means that they obtained the trait that you are looking into. This helps differentiate them among family members. So, traits can either be from sex chromosomes or autosomal chromosomes. So, autosomal chromosomes and sex chromosomes are expressed as genotypes, which is the genetic makeup of the trait. Autosomals will be big A, little a, little a, little a, or big A, big A. Sex chromosomes will be the woman XX, the man XY. Then I'll show a more in-depth picture of it, that way you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, phenotypes are the physical expression of the trait that someone has. So if a recessive redhead, which would be RR, if someone obtains that trait, they're going to express red hair. Now, to look more into the pedigree that I have created is based off of Grey's Anatomy, and we are looking at the trait of the Alzheimer's gene. So, Meredith's mom has it, which is why she's colored in, and Meredith has it too. However, the rest of the family members do not. Now, we're going to look at the method of inheritance on how this trait was arrived at. They are all down here, and they are X-linked recessive, X-linked dominant, autosomal recessive, and halandric. One of the methods that didn't fit my pedigree was X-linked recessive. So this means that the trait expressed by Alice would be a recessive trait, which means X little a, X little a. However, this does not fit the pedigree. As you see, Meredith must gain an X from her mother and her father. However, her father is dominant, so she will get a big XA from him, which will dominate the little XA that she gets from her mother and make Meredith dominant, when in reality, she is recessive. This would mean that this method of inheritance would not work for this pedigree. Another method of inheritance that would not work for this pedigree is halandric. This is easier to simply explain since halandric is a Y-linked trait. Females will not express the trait in this pedigree. That would automatically throw it out and leave X-linked dominant, and autosomal recessive as the only forms of inheritance that work for this pedigree.